Today I am going to show you how you can download shapefiles or geographic information data from WorldPop. All right, so you sometimes you want to do something but you find difficult to get the data. I last taught you how you can download from GIS, and today I'm going to show you that there exists so many data sources that you are not aware about. And when you get to see those data, you will think of how you will be able to use this kind of data. There are data you never thought of, okay, which exist. So join me, but do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like and share. Okay, share it to your friends, your colleagues who are in school, who are in tertiary, who are in technical schools. So share it to them so it will benefit them. All right. So let me go to world. Just type world population. Okay, world population. Um, world population. Okay, so it takes you here, right? So you see that www.worldpop.org. So also I will put the link in the description of this tutorial, this video, so you have easily access. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Yeah, let's wait. So yeah, perfect. Perfect. So this is the interface. All right, so open spatial demographic data and research. Okay, so you just need to read the better test our new global population data 2015 to 2030, choosing the right WorldPop data for you. So these are just some of the things they do. So you scroll down, you see you have a lot of data sources from here: COVID, mapping population, spatial demographic, mapping development, maternal and childbirth, population dynamics. I was surprised I discovered that we have pregnancy data too here. So a lot of things that you can get. So explore and access WorldPop. Okay, you open here to explore. Yeah. So this is how the data was being collected. So modeled, graded. This is a modeled one. This consensus. Okay, so it says the census data estimate for Niger 2021. So yes, you come here. This is okay. You get administrative areas. You get age and sex structure, and it's very important to for us to be thinking about the age and sex structure. It helps us to know the potential of our youth, the potential of the country, the potential of the district, the potential of the region that we are in. Okay, so all this helps planners to plan very well. It helps insurance companies to plan very well. It help the municipal, the government agencies to help have age and sex, demographic ratio, global flight data, graded cell surface area, population density, right, urban change, pregnancies, right? So this interests me. All right, so let's see the pregnancy data. And what do we even know, well, like how someone would think that why this, you know now every decision you make is based on spatial data, right? You can't go away with spatial data, right? So the number of pregnancies per square area. Okay, I think this is a graded area. Okay, the people, the pregnancy, you can estimate, you can predict, you can allocate resources, okay, appropriately. You can know that, okay, this is the pregnancy for this year. You can predict the next year, and it helps government to prioritize extending, food supply, extending their things. Whatever the government agency organization want to do, when they have access to this data, they can do. So let me just search for here. Okay, let me search here. Let me Ghana, right? Yeah, so Ghana. So you just come here, data source, right? Yeah. So yes, so you can see from here, it's really interesting, right? Ghana 1 kilometer. So every 1 kilometer grid cell, okay, is computed. So you could see, yeah, obviously pregnancy is high in Greater Accra. In Greater Accra, let me zoom. Yeah, so looking at the bar, it's very high in Greater Accra here and Eastern says Ashanti region. and Upper East region also has enough pregnancy. So God, you can, you can just get your area of interest or demarcate some area you want to estimate the pregnancy for whatever work you want to do, then you go ahead to do. So this is one of the data you can get. Okay, there are a lot of data you can download. A lot of data. When you go back, you realize that we have many data sources. We have urban change density, global settlement growth. Also global settlement is very important data. So guys, go explore, download the data, download, and use it for whatever you want to do. All right, thank you very much. As I said, like, subscribe, and share, so I can give you a lot of details that you need to progress in your research work. Thank you very much. See you.